Car stalling. It's one of those things every car owner dreads, right? You're at a busy intersection, the light turns green, you try to set off and bam, your engine cuts out. Instant embarrassment. But what actually causes your car to stall and how can you fix it? Let's break it down. Most of the time, stalling comes down to one thing: the engine suddenly stops running. This means you lose power and steering and braking get way harder. If you drive a manual, the number one culprit is usually driver error. That's right, releasing the clutch too quickly or not giving the engine enough gas as you pull away. I've been there, trust me. Shifting into too high a gear for your speed can also make your car protest and stall out. But it's not always your fault. Mechanical and electrical gremlins can sneak up on you. Think a clogged fuel filter, a dying fuel pump, or even just an empty gas tank. Yep, it happens. A blocked air filter, worn spark plugs, or a dodgy battery can also shut things down fast. And don't forget those pesky sensors, like the mass airflow sensor. When they misbehave, your engine can't run right, so what should you do if you stall? First, stay calm. Pull the handbrake, turn on your hazard lights, and make sure you're in neutral or park. Try restarting. If your car fires up, check for any dashboard warnings or weird noises. Still stuck? Don't keep cranking away. That'll just drain your battery or wear out your starter. Time to call for help. The good news is, the occasional stall won't destroy your car, but repeat offenders better get things checked before you're left stranded. Know your clutch's biting point, keep up with maintenance, and you'll be running smoother in no time. Drive smart and you'll leave stalling in the rearview mirror.